Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. It is the 3rd of January 2023. I'm recording so many of these videos these days that I'm literally running or losing track of time. All right. So, my goal in the next 52 weeks, both for those folks in our private community as many people as I can reach on social media, YouTube, etc., is to share what I think is the magic of education marketing and how, if you're building an agency or if you are launching something new in the world, even if it's just yourself, that teaching people can be the most empowering, fun, ethical, and enjoyable way to actually teach what you know, do what you love, and wake up the world with your work. That's our slogan as a business, and I really think it's a amazing opportunity for all of us to take what we're passionate about and actually share it with the world. So again, this is ostensibly for agencies and entrepreneurs, but this idea works for everybody. But I also know that most folks aren't interested in doing this, right? Like creating a whole sort of ecosystem of courses and content. This is the back end of our Mindful Marketplace learning community. Some of you are part of that now. And even if you are, you probably have only seen a fraction of the actual courses that we have for sale or available on our platform. But I want to show you a much simpler way of doing this yourself, even without the heavy lift of investing in an LMS or an app or something that's a little bit more complicated. This is a free piece of software. It's called Milanote, and it's really amazing for lots of different organizational things. It's kind of positioned as like a designer's sort of Evernote, or like even like a Pinterest style application for folks collecting or curating content. But it offers so many really, really cool and creative ways to teach courses that I want to show you a few of these. Let me see if I can get out of. I mean, I this is actually free. Now I pay for this to have an unlimited amount of boards and storage and sort of content here, but you don't have to. You can get this for free, and I'm going to show you how you can use this really quickly to do some very cool and creative things as a bootstrapped entrepreneur who wants to teach courses to your own clients. All right, let me see if I can find. Let's see. Let's try this one here. Okay, so here is a recent PDF and little course or a micro sort of lesson, let's call it, that I just created a couple days ago for our private agency accelerator cohort. Again, I actually posted this on YouTube, the video of this, but you can also get the PDF if you're in our course. But this is a really simple way of creating a PDF that you can use to teach your clients, right? So if you're teaching them how to do something in the world that you want them to hire you to do, Milanote is a really good tool for doing this, right? So here's a template that is a 4-step or a 5-step template. It's actually 4 steps here, and then a 5th step down here, and then I can embed. Here are 2 YouTube videos, and here is an uploaded video that's not available on YouTube. And I can export this as either a PDF, a PNG, or any of these, a zip file, or any of these other sorts of file types. And it makes it not only really easy to to create content that you are giving your clients that has lots of interactive elements, audios, videos, etc., but you can also add comments, and you can also, which is really something that most folks don't realize you can do with this, you can turn this into an interactive community. So again, by dint of these selectors here, you can allow comments, reactions, and drawings on this board. You can have downloadable files, set a welcome message. You can require a password, generate HTML code, and embed this within an existing WordPress site or a card landing page or an HTML page, or anything that'll handle or allow for embeds. So you can invite people. I'm trying not to show people's names here, obviously, which is not nice. So I'll put my own. Just send an invite to myself to now. Right? So now I'm seeing here, you can see that's a desktop notification that an app was, or a board was shared with me on Milanote. Obviously, I'm sharing this with myself. You can require a password, generate, you can't do that for a, so if I turn this off, I can turn that on. So I can now get an iframe that I can copy and paste somewhere. Again, like a Ghost blog, a WordPress blog, a card site, etc. All right. So, and you can really have your audience or your teammates or whoever it may be interacting on this sort of content in a live URL. So again, if you look at this, if I copy this link, and I paste it up here, this is actually an interactive board that people can access online, and they can download the contents. They can ask me questions. They can draw on this if I want to allow that, etc., etc. All right. Very, very cool. And there are lots and lots of different ways in which to use Milanote that are really underappreciated by most. So you can, let's say, for an example, I wanted to add a link. There's actually a Chrome extension that allows you just to go around the web and add links in a very Pinterest style way. But you can also, let's say, it's not what I want to do there. I want to drag that here. Let's say I want to link to CNN. So you can create these really, like, you can just curate content very, very quickly with this as well. Let's say I want to link to here an affiliate program that I'm using. There's my affiliate tracking link, right? So if I'm teaching something online and I want to actually have folks sign up for affiliate programs, this is a very easy way of doing that. All right, there's my Circle affiliate link for folks who want to join a Circle community. And it's just really, really an effective way of not only teaching, but also curating content and doing some other cool things. So anyway, I'm going to be covering much more about or on using Milanote as a teaching tool for those of you who are interested in launching agencies this year and using inexpensive tools. Again, this is free. I think it gives you up to 100 content elements on the free plan. I have unlimited because I'm paying for it, but even paying for it, it's only, I think it's like $10 a month or something. So it's really, really great. And it's also a great way of teaching content like this. You probably have noticed, if you're in our community, that a lot of the courses that I've taught have actually been, or the demos that I've done have used Milanote, because it's just really, really, it's just an elegant way of adding lots and lots of content. Oh, not what I want to do there. Anyway, I don't want to mess up an existing board, so I'm just gonna get out of this. But I encourage you to check it out. It's great for teaching content. It's great for creating PDF downloads. Again, this PDF. If I export this, I'm now starting to choke. If I export this as a PDF, you'll immediately see that all these files here are downloadable. The YouTube URLs are live. All the files that are actually in this Let's see if that comes up. Here it is. All right. So there you have it. And that's a PDF that has a downloadable, element, YouTube videos, and you can change the background. I don't know what I did with that. I think I might have lost that. I've got to go back and figure that out. Anyway, more to come. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you as always so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.